I just found the coolest abandoned outlet mall I've ever seen. So I was on my way back from San Diego to Vegas, and I stopped by In-N-Out, which is right behind me. And then I never noticed this, but there's this giant outlets thing, and it's really long. And I've never gone in there, but I was like, you know what? I got the OneWheel now, so maybe I can go in and explore. And so I'm gonna switch to the GoPro, and let's go ahead and explore inside and see what we find. All the shops here, it's just like all empty. Yo, honestly, this is kind of creepy. Like, there's just all these outlets. Like, there's got to be hundreds of just empty shops. Like, I don't know if this was a project where they built it and they ran. I don't think they ran out of money. Everything looks built, but I mean, it's in Barstow in the middle of nowhere, so it's kind of like, I don't know who they thought their clientele will be, but there's just nothing here. It's weird, like a ghost town, like empty shop after empty shop, and they've got kind of stuff closed off to cars to get in here. But I mean, you can see they got little fences that like people have pushed back, or even maybe the wind has pushed back over time. But with the OneWheel, you can get in. I just did some research because I was really curious how old this place was, and I found some old articles about this place, but apparently this place is like 25 years old, which kind of makes sense because there's like random payphones here still, and you know, who's used a payphone recently? But if you guys want to see some more kind of information, there's all these outlet signs where it says Directory Factory Merchants in Barstool, and look how many. Each one of these is like a shop, and then there's a parking lot in the middle. I think we're over here somewhere, and like, look at the directories. There's just nothing. No shops listed anywhere. It really makes you wonder, like, how could they build such an enormous place and then have no business here. Like, I mean, it's in the middle of the desert, so I wouldn't put a business here, but like, how did they get the funding and approval to do all this? Like, it's crazy to think about the millions and millions of dollars that went into this place, and it's just never used and abandoned. That's crazy. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get out of here before I get axe murdered. So hope you guys enjoyed this kind of little exploratory little vlog, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Later.